Welcome to BEHR Presents How to Paint Furniture with BEHR Chalk Decorative Paint. So you've decided to paint a piece of furniture. That's great news. But before you can get started, here are some things that you'll need. For this dresser, we're going to use BEHR Chalk Decorative Paint to transform it from blah to wow. Let's get going. Remove all the hardware and drawers. Next, clean off the dresser to remove any dust. Then give it a gentle sand. One final wipe, and your dresser is ready for paint. To start, make sure to lay the dresser drawers flat on a drop cloth. This will make sure you don't get any drips. Using your BEHR Chalk Decorative Paintbrush, paint the dresser drawers with smooth, even strokes in the direction of the grain. If you notice there are some uneven areas, it's totally normal and will actually enhance the antique look. If your dresser has smaller, more detailed areas, make sure you get into all the nooks and crannies. Here's a pro tip. For more control while you're painting, try holding the brush by the ferrule. Allow 2 hours for the chalk-style paint to fully dry before applying wax. We'll show you how to use BEHR Wax Decorative Finish to add protection and a satin sheen. Use a BEHR Chalk Decorative Wax brush and apply the wax. A little goes a long way, so keep that in mind while you're applying it. After the wax is dried, you can buff to a nice sheen. For more information on how to achieve your own style with these products, head to our website. You know the gig. You'll have to wait until the wax is dried completely before you can reassemble your new, old dresser. While you're waiting, take some time to wash all the tools with warm, soapy water. If you want to add a little more flair to your dresser, you can swap out your old hardware with something new. And just like that, you've painted your furniture with chalk-style paint. Nice work! If you're looking to take on some more projects, check out some of our other BEHR how-to videos.